Okay, today we will talk about how to manually enter lab results on our platform HealthMatters.io. Log in to your account if you have one. If you don't have one yet, go to HealthMatters.io and sign up. Once you're in your dashboard, you can go to the right-hand side menu here and click on Upload Test Results. Then you get to the upload page here. Let's for now skip the upload service where we upload the results for you. So we can skip this first module here and go straight to the second module where it says, when was this test taken? So it's important to provide the test date, the specific test time, and that's the time when the specimen, so for example, your blood was collected in the lab or in the doctor's office. And then we can specify the laboratory just to get additional information so we can compare results over time. So let's just start adding information here to see how this works. You click on the date field, it drops down this calendar view. Let's say we had our blood drawn on January 1st, January 2nd. The collection time was 9 in the morning, and the laboratory was, let's say, LabCorp. We click continue, and now what we've done is we've created this test date in the database, January 2nd, with the time 9 in the morning, and the laboratory is LabCorp. We can always edit or delete it here if we want to, but let's move to the second module, which is called Enter Biomarker Details. So here we have to make sure that we choose the correct biomarkers, then specify the value that's on your lab report, and make sure that we have the right unit chosen. So let's go with a basic biomarker. Let's choose total cholesterol. So I type in total cholesterol here, and we have two markers. And the first one is the right one, total cholesterol, which is part of the lipid panel. Then we move over to the value field here. As you can see under it, it already lists the optimal range, which is between 100 and 199 milligrams per deciliter. Let's say ours was 112. And now let's just make sure that we have the right unit chosen. If you live in a country where there's a different unit listed on your lab report, you can always click on the drop down here and choose another unit. And you can see it automatically converts to your optimal ranges. So let's go with milligram per deciliter for now. Click Analyze, and now this marker is stored in your account. As you can see, it's in the optimal range. The result is optimal. It gives you some additional information here just to get a basic overview. You can add a note if you want, edit or delete this marker. And now when we move down here, you can add the next one. But let's leave it for now with one biomarker and hit the finish button. You can add as many markers as you want, and we currently have around 2,000 biomarkers in our database. Once we click finish, it redirects us to the graph view. And if we now type into this search bar total cholesterol, we see automatically the lipid panel pop up, which is the category of this biomarker. And there's additional information about the lipid panel. And here is your biomarker, total cholesterol, cardiovascular health indicator, and it gives you the most recent reading, which is 112 milligram per deciliter from January 1st of this year. The previous reading was on January 2nd, 2020, and as you can see, it was 123, so it went slightly down. So those are just sample numbers, by the way. Then here you have two tabs. One is your result that gives you additional information about your specific result, and then there's a research tab. If you click here, you get additional scientific information about this specific marker. You can add as many values as you want here. So it's great to see over time, to see more and more values, so you see great trend lines. And this is how you enter a biomarker manually. It's quite quick, and you can always go back and edit or adjust or put in notes if you find the need. Thank you.